Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install applications from unknown sources on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. First, open Settings on your smartphone and then navigate down to the Apps menu. Open it and then scroll down to Special Apps Access menu. Here you'll find Install Unknown Apps, and then select a browser or application for which you want to allow this feature. Allow from the switch the toggle to the right next to allow from the source, and then you'll be able to download applications from your Google Chrome web browser. However, notice that your phone and personal data will be more vulnerable to attack by unknown applications, so be careful what you install from and which source you use to do that. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.